There's this mythology of the West, and then there's what actually is. What actually is here today, occupying the space.
We're at Desert X.
Desert X.
Desert X.
Where am I now? Oh, God knows, in the middle of nowhere, I guess.
Yeah, I heard a little bit about Desert X from the locals.
I just saw it in the LA Times and I thought he would like it.
We drove out here from Irvine to check this out.
It's really a thing, for sure.
16 extremely different responses to the desert.
All over the map in a beautiful way.
I guess you can say it's like a scavenger hunt for the projects, which is pretty cool.
That's a good question. What did it mean? What does it mean?
And those signs over there makes it seem like we can't come in, but we can.
You know, the idea of just kind of going from place to place and having this continuous sequence of discoveries.
It hasn't actually been done before.
But at the root of everything, at the core of every artist project, is ultimately the desert and a necessity to respond to that.
An artwork that could house and contain the stories of everybody that encounters it.
The viewer is actually asked and empowered to kind of go on this walkabout.